Hello guys, this is Swapnil. This is my channel. Today I am going to show you. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a sky lantern out of matchbox and a paper. A simple newspaper which comes to your house every day. So let's start with the preparing sky lantern. I am going to show you how to make a sky lantern. Take this newspaper in your hand, full 2 pages newspaper. You have to crush it like this, make it a ball, crush it, then again unwind it and keep it on a surface, flat surface like this. You can see. Now you have to join the 4 corners of a paper with a knot like this and ensure the air is entrapped inside. Now make a knot here. Like this. We have to ensure air is inside, so I am just putting some air inside it. Now keeping this on the floor like this. We have to burn 4 corners of it simultaneously. Like this.